In front of me is on pad 8 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app. Then click on this big button at the bottom to start recording. If you never used Recorder before, make sure to select Allow and Allow while using in available pop-ups. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, click on this right button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one. And to end it and save it, on the middle one. As you can see, my recording is over here. To play it, click on it and select Play button. To manage all of those options, just click on the chosen ones. If you want to rename your recording, you need to hold it. Select Rename at the bottom and type in wherever you want to. Then hit OK. If you wish to get rid of it, you can always hold it. Select Delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!